Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
O King, your questions as to how the universe became manifested from the gigantic form of the personality of Godhead, as well as other questions, I shall answer in detail by explanation of the 4 verses already mentioned. As stated in the beginning of the Srimad Bhagwatam, this great transcendental literature is the ripened fruit of the tree of Vedic knowledge, and therefore all questions that can be humanly possible regarding the universal affairs beginning from its creation, are all answered in the Srimad Bhagavatam. The answers depend only on the qualification of the person who explains them. The 10 divisions of Srimad Bhagavatam, as explained by the great speaker, Srila Shukdev Goswami, are the limitation of all questions, and intelligent persons will derive all intellectual benefits from them by proper utilization.